Folding pocket knives, particularly flipper knives, have become a literal staple in the everyday carry community since, well, the rise in popularity of everyday carry in the past 2 decades. Whether it be for self-defense, everyday cutting tasks, and anything in between, no EDC kit is complete without one. Of the many different styles of EDC pocket knives on the market today, flipper knives have seen a significant rise in popularity over other knives, with other blade deployment mechanisms, such as automatic knives and manual opening knives, because they are readily available from most knife brands and offer a simple-to-use, low-maintenance path to rapid, one-handed blade deployment. Number 7. SAMIOR Flipper Knives. This small scalpel folder can keep with you everywhere, open any package with ease. Blade is simple to remove. Simply push the back end of the blade up with a thumbnail and with your other hand push the blade over the locking edge and slide the blade out. Overall length: 5.1 inch, blade length: 2.2 inch, handle length: 2.9 inch. Frame lock secures the titanium blade holder in place, when completely unfolded or closed, to keep you safe while use it. The TS51 ensures the blade cannot be removed, or dismantled while the blade is fully extended, for an added peace of mind. The little TS51 is everyday carry ready, with a EDC hole. Experience an ultra-sharp scalpel blade, with a minimalist and ergonomic shape, for all utility tasks like box cutting, package opening, hobby DIY and craft work. If you love a razor-sharp knife, but hate having to sharpen it, then this is the perfect one. Comes with 10 extra surgical blades. Number 6. Buck Flipper Knives. Razor-sharp drop-point blade 3-1/8 inch, 420HC stainless steel drop-point blade has excellent strength, edge retention and is corrosion resistant. The drop-point blade is full-bellied with a strong, thick point for heavier tasks. Strength and safety: easy to open with ball-bearing flipper technology. The liner lock locks the blade open for reliable strength and safety while you work. Closed length 4-3/8 inch, weight 3.2 ounces. Convenient carry: heat-treated stainless steel deep carry pocket clip keeps the knife within easy reach while riding discreetly in the pocket. The clip can be removed. Number 5. Columbia River Knife and Tool Flipper Knives. A knife that's dressed for success. At first glance, it could be mistaken for a pen tucked into a shirt pocket. And that's exactly the way the CEO Flipper folding knife was designed. With a supremely low profile, and no corners cut on usability and ergonomics, it embodies the working spirit of everyday carry. Known for his clean, simple, highly usable designs, Richard Rogers releases another formidable knife, from his shop in the scrubby hills of Magdalena, New Mexico. Created with dress shirt pockets and V-neck scrubs in mind, the slim, low-profile CEO Flipper poses as a pen until a sealed letter needs opening, or a suit needs a finishing touch. With lubed ball bearings in the pivot to reduce friction, a prominent flipper sets IKBS in motion, smoothly deploying the satin-finished stainless steel blade. A locking liner keeps it securely in place between the sleek and strong glass-reinforced nylon handle. The CEO pairs best with an extra dark roast and a long to-do list. Specifications: blade length 3.35 inch, blade thickness 0.09 inch, closed length 4.35 inch, open length 7.69 inch, weight 1.9 ounces. Number 4. KERSHAW Flipper Knives. A bold stonewashed blade and textured handle, with contoured grip make the 4.7-ounce flitch an everyday carry favorite. Made by experts at Kershaw, the Flitch is a multitasking tool for hunting, gardening, fishing, camping, kitchen prep, and even self-defense at home, on the road or in the office. Lightweight and wear-resistant, Flitch boasts a reversible, deep-carry pocket clip that allows for discreet, concealed and secure carry, while its modified drop-point blade, top swedge and deep finger grooves promote solid comfort in an exceptionally crafted and affordable tactical package. Adding to its role as a trusted folding knife is Flitch's compound steel blade, made with increased carbon, forged through a precision heat treatment. The resulting 8CR13 MoV stainless steel blade ensures high performance, strength, hardness, durability and the ability to take and hold an edge. Given its ultra blade tech and attractive profile, EDC Flitch makes the perfect gift for self or others. Number 3. Western Active Flipper Knives. Small size Honey Badger pocket knife, stainless steel blade, length 2.81, 71 mm, overall length 6.54 inch, closed length 3.7 inch, weight of 2.57 ounces. Fits perfectly in your pocket as a small pocket knife. Grip is made from fiber-reinforced nylon, with a unique honeycomb hexagonal pattern to form a non-slip grip. The Honey Badger is famous for its unbelievably smooth flipper opening action, lightweight comfortable carry, deep carry pocket clip, ambidextrous left-right hand support, and low price point, making it a knife you are not scared to carry and use every day. Honey Badger Budget Folding Knife Pocket Knife with Clip is the ultimate tactical knife. Honey Badger is an excellent EDC folding pocket knife, with a flipper tab and liner lock. Pocket clip can be switched around for left or right-handed carry. 8CR13 MoV stainless steel blade, with ball-bearing flipper opening mechanism. Number 2. Harnes Flipper Knives. Sandvik 14C28N steel is great material to make a knife. Optimized chemistry provides a top-grade knife steel, with a unique combination of excellent edge performance, high hardness and good corrosion resistance. Opens in a flash with one hand. Ceramic ball-bearing pivot system allows quick access to blade, with one-handed safe release. High-performance handle. G10 handles are insulation, moisture-proof, non-slip with reliable grip and wear resistance. Convenient pocket clip. The pocket clip promotes safety and efficiency while using knife, and provides convenient for everyday carry. Liner locking system. Liner lock secures blade in position during use, and closes easily when tasks are done. Number 1. SPYDERCO Flipper Knives. Kevin Smock is an award-winning industrial designer who is turning heads with his visionary handcrafted custom knives. Based on his SK23 custom folder, the SPYDERCO Smock translates his innovative style into a premium quality production folder. The hollow ground blade of this knife is precision machined from CPMS 30V stainless steel, and includes both a round hole and an elegantly understated flipper opener. The flipper action is supported by a pair of special ball-bearing pivot washers, and a dedicated secondary detent mechanism separate from the knife's lock. It is paired with a skeletonized handle featuring full stainless steel liners, textured carbon fiber, G10 laminate scales, lightweight, open-backed construction, and a reversible, tip-up pocket clip for ambidextrous carry. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like the video, subscribe to this channel, and never forget to comment.